Hi, good morning, good morning. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, no one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Hello, hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Sajid. Good morning, Sanam. Good morning, Harsha. Good morning, Keshwa. Good morning, Manish Chala. Good morning, Vishwanath. Good morning, Janvi. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Bagunara. Everyone Manchi at home. Yeah. Good morning, good morning. Bagunara, everyone Manchi at home. You are at home. That's why I'm asking everyone Manchi at home. बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड सो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन एट होम क्या हो रहा है घर पे व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन चिलिंग और स्टडिंग व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन आई एम ऑल्सो मंची डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल इफ स्टूडेंट्स आर मंची टीचर इज ऑल्सो मंची डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल इफ यू आर मंची आई एम ऑल्सो मंची या सो व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन एट होम चिलिंग और स्टडिंग क्या हो रहा है घर पे enjoying sir wow nice answer enjoying with what enjoying with what enjoying means you must be enjoying with something. So enjoying with what? Acha. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Just I will adjust the AC. Yeah. Both, sir. Cricket. Okay, no problem. Means you are chilling, then you should say, sir, chilling with study. Because for us, study is also type of chilling. For normal people, study is a burden. But we are preparing to become doctor. We have to do study, sir. So we are not normal people, sir. We are ultra pro legend. And for ultra pro legends, AC some problem is coming. Yeah. For ultra pro legends, chilling is also a type, studying is also type of chilling. Yeah. Is it okay? Am I correct? For you, study is not burden, na? For you, study is burden, or study is also a way to chill. So many people chill with so many different ways, but I am talking about you. Study is a burden or chilling for you? Syam is saying directly burden, sir. No, Syam, if it is burden, that study will only make you doctor tomorrow. So you cannot say that study is burden. Yeah. You should say study is a type of chilling. No problem. Yeah. Huh. Offline classes has been started. No problem. Maybe for some of you, reporting is on 2nd July. 2nd July, new campus is there. Reporting is there. Yeah. For boys also and for girls also, reporting is there on 2nd July. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare kya? Shall we start with the class? And don't worry about new campus. Same teacher, everything will be same. Nothing will be changed. So don't worry, sir. New campus is there, sir. What will happen there? Everyone there will be, same thing will be there. In old campus, new campus, nothing is going to be changed. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So I think in last class, so now we'll start with the class. I think in last class, we were talking about average velocity, average speed, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous speed. Is it okay? Is it, this is what we studied? Sham, that I have to see. We were talking about average velocity, average speed, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous speed. And I said you for motion, yeah, for uniform motion, average speed, and yeah. I said you for uniform motion, instantaneous velocity and average velocity both will be equal. This is the last concept that we studied in the last class. Is it okay? यहाँ से आगे बढ़े यहाँ से आगे बढ़े shall we move further? एक बार बोल दो yes or no. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया, very good, very good, very good. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. So we studied average velocity, total displacement by total time, average speed, total distance by total time, instantaneous velocity means ds by dt, instantaneous speed means dx by dt. So these are the things that we studied in the last class. Yeah. Today we will start with some numericals from there. We will talk about some special type of numerical which is asked from average velocity and average speed. Right now, you know, we are talking about motion in a straight line. So motion in a straight line means distance and displacement both will be equal. If both are equal, that means average speed and average velocity will be also equal. So here we are going to talk about numericals based. You can write problems based on average speed and average velocity. Both will have same meaning because we are talking about motion in a straight line. You know, for a straight line, average speed and average velocity both will have same value. Problems based on average speed and average velocity. One special type of numerical I will discuss today in the class. And last year also in the NEET, one question came from this part. The part which we are going to talk from there, one question came this year in the NEET 2023, one question came from there. So the important part, again they can ask question. Previously also 4-5 times they have asked. This year also they asked. Again in coming year also they can ask. Yeah. So we are going to talk about problems based on average speed and average velocity. Is it okay? Shuru kare. Problems based on average speed and average velocity. Once you will say yes sir, we will start. Yeah, so everyone is ready sir. We are ready sir. You can start. No problem. बहुत बढ़िया. So I'll start with from here. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Very good. So just see here. Okay. So point is, yeah, बहुत बढ़िया, very good, yeah. So yeah, entire 1 hour I will discuss about problems on average speed and average velocity. ध्यान देना, be focused, yeah. Now someone said, sir, what formula you will use, sir? Which formula you will use? So no formula is there. Always remember, for average speed and average velocity, only one thing is there. Average velocity means total displacement by total time. No formula will be required. Only technique will be required. I will tell you the method. I will tell you the technique. That technique you have to use every time in order to get the answer. And what is that technique? What formula we will use, sir? We are already knowing average velocity will be coming as, or average speed, if anyone will say, no problem. Average velocity will be coming as total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. Or if anyone asks me, sir, average speed, then I will use total distance by total time. No other formula will be required. From here only all the question you have to do. There is no other direct formula to get anything. Directly you will do. If anyone asks you find average speed, total distance by total time. If anyone asks you find average velocity, total displacement by total time. That is what you have to do. That is what you have to do in this part. I will tell you method with the help of one question. One question I will tell. Next question you will do. You can write one question. Then I will tell you the question which came in the NEET also. At the end I will tell. You can write one question. A car travels 1/3 of total distance. A car travels 1/3 of total distance with speed v1. A car travels 1/3 of total distance with speed v1 and remaining 2/3 of distance with speed v2. A car travels 1/3 of total distance with speed v1 and remaining 2/3 distance with speed v2. Find its average speed for entire journey. Find its average speed for entire journey. Find its average speed for entire journey. If you want, you can once try this, then I will tell. Vijay, that's wrong. That will come in a special case, which we will talk separately. A car travels 1/3 of total distance with speed v1 and remaining 2/3 distance with speed v2. Find its average speed for entire journey. Manish Chala, that's also wrong. No guessing will work. Work will be the concept, work will be the method, work will be the understanding of the situation. That's it. I'm waiting for one answer. Or if you feel tough, you can say, sir, you can tell. Then next question we will do. I will tell this question only when, if you promise the next question, we will try by ourselves. बोल दो, come on, Twarga. What is 1/3, Kiran? No problem, no problem. Many people are giving answer. Many people are giving wrong answer. Some people are trying to give answer. Now leave your copy, drop your pen. बहुत ध्यान से. हाँ, Dwarkanath has given correct answer. Now Manish Chala, you have given correct answer. Very good, very good. Yeah. Now leave your copy. Whether you got the answer, you did not get the answer, doesn't matter. Always remember, in long term, you have to learn the new things. Maybe this question, yeah. Okay, Bunny, no problem. Yeah. Maybe this question, right now you are not able to solve. Geeta also correct, very good. Sajid correct. Some people are knowing the method, no problem, no problem. Now, dhyan dena. Be focused, whether you got the answer, you did not get the answer, leave your copy, be 100% focused on the board. Next question you have to solve by yourself. Dhyan do. Just see here, yeah. Always remember, in this type of question, if anyone asks you find average speed or average velocity for entire journey, always remember, a question is very important. You have to read the question, then only answer will come. And if you read the question, they are saying you, dhyan dena, be focused, yeah. They are saying you, a car travels with speed v1 for 1/3 of total distance and remaining 2/3 distance with speed v2. Find v average. So always remember, in the question, if they talk about distance now, you'll assume total distance to be s. This is the process to solve. Arey thoda dhyan do yahan par. This is a very famous question. This year also one question came from here, and previously also so many times question has been asked. I will simply say, sir, in the question they have not given total distance. They have not given total time. Sir, how to find average? Sir, I know average speed will come, total distance by total time. But in the question, nowhere total distance given, nowhere total time given. Only two velocities are given, v1 and v2. Sir, how to solve it? Solving is a technique. Solving this type of question is a skill. I will tell you that technique. Always remember, in the question they are saying you, a car travel 1/3 of total distance. They are talking about distance. So in the question, if they talk about distance, you'll say, sir, you are talking about distance now. Let's assume total distance to be s. If you want, you can assume x also, no problem. It's your choice. So let's assume total distance. I will assume. What happened? Yeah. Okay, no problem. I will simply say, sir, let's assume. Sir, car is traveling from they're saying a car travel 1/3 of total distance. Sir, they are talking about total distance. So let's assume that, sir, total distance, let's assume to be x. Now 1/3 means x by 3 with how much speed? v1. This is what is said. Now, just you have to represent the question in the form of diagram like this. It will become convenient for you to solve. I will simply say, so let's assume total distance to be x. So what is said? 1/3. 1/3 means x by 3 with speed v1. And of course, here it will take some time also now. t1. Only speed and distance will not be there. Time will be also there. Now remaining, can you tell me what is remaining? If total distance is x, already traveled x by 3. What is the remaining distance? Can you tell me? What is the remaining distance? Bata do jaldi. What is the remaining distance? Are bol do. Haan, sir, total x, this is x by 3. So remaining is 2x by 3. Are baba, x minus x by 3, 2x by 3. 2x by 3 with how much speed? v2. So of course some time will be taken now, t2. Without time you cannot travel. Yeah. So this is, don't think you have done anything till now. This is already given in the question. Question told you to assume total distance, because if you read the question, they are saying you a car travel 1/3 of total distance. So I don't know total distance. So I'll assume total distance to be x. So x by 3 with how much speed? v1. Remaining 2x by 3 with speed v2. And of course, sometime t1 will be there now. Of course, sometime t2 will be there now. So you have to, first step, you have to represent the question in the form of diagram. Once you represent, now you'll simply say, sir, what do you want? You want average speed What is the formula for average speed? So total distance by total time. ध्यान देना, be focused. Sir, you want average speed na sir? Average speed means a total distance by total time. What is total distance? Already you have assumed na total distance. How much you have assumed? X. So total distance will be X. And what is total time? Can you tell me what is total time? Here T1, here T2. So total time will be T1 plus T2. Is it okay? Up to this, is it okay? Up to this, is it okay? Up to this, is it okay? बोल दो एक बार. But problem is T1 and T2 is not given. T1 and T2 we have assumed na. ध्यान दो, T1 and T2 X, all these are not given. We have assumed. So now you have to calculate the value of T1. You have to calculate the value of T2. Always remember when they talk about distance, you have to, okay. If they have given you distance, you have to calculate time. I will simply say, sir, this time I will calculate. Sir, total distance by total time. Total time I know T1 plus T2, but T1 not given, sir, T2 not given. So I will calculate T1. T1 you can find. You know, time will be coming as distance by speed. I think everyone knows speed will be distance by time. So so time will be coming as distance by speed. I think everyone knows this class 9th maths. Speed will be equal to distance by time. So from here you can find T1. T1 will be coming as distance by speed. So X by 3 by V1. Similarly, you can find T2 here. Distance by speed. 2X by 3 by V2. If you want, you can further simplify it. Okay, no problem. I'm using all the steps so that you can get better understanding. T1 will become, you can bring this 3 here, X by 3 V1. T2 will become 2X by 3 V2. Now this is T1 and T2. Now you will put it here. Once you calculate T1, T2, put the value of T1 and T2 here. So X by T1. T1 is how much? X by 3 V1. T2 is how much? 2X by 3 V2. Now once you got this, X you have to cancel. You can see X is there. So X from numerator and denominator you can cancel. And just you have to simplify in order to get your answer. If you simplify this, this will become 1 by 3 V1 plus 2 by 3 V2. Now you have to simplify it. You have to take LCM. I think everyone knows how to take LCM. This will become, LCM will become 3 V1 V2. 3 is common, 3 V1 V2. So 3 V1. What will be left here? V2 plus, and here what is there? 3 V2. What is left here? V1 into 2, that is 2 V1. Now again, if you simplify this, you'll get your final answer. Final answer will become, this will go in the numerator, this will become 3 V1 V2 by 2 V1 plus V2. Kuch samjhe kya? Did you understand? First you can write this. Again I will tell, don't worry. Aarti Gupta, if you don't put your brain, if you don't put your focus, you'll not understand. That's the magic of physics. Don't worry, we will practice today, or this is only what we have to do. Nothing to worry. ध्यान दो, be focused, ध्यान देना, be focused. At least any book, if you see 20 questions will be there based on this. So ध्यान देना. Everyone has written? Yeah, Dosa, that's correct. Everyone has written? Writing done? Then again I will tell. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं आरती गुप्ता. Okay, no problem. You will not understand. Yeah. Now ध्यान देना. Be focused. Yeah. In this type of question, wherever they have given, find the average speed for entire journey. And in the question, ध्यान देना. Sir, you will be thinking, sir, how you got to know that I have to assume total distance X? Why you have not assumed total time T? Tomorrow, if they will talk about time, I will assume time. If tomorrow they will talk about distance, I will assume this. In the question padho. Apart from solution in physics, more important is the question. In the question only they said a car travel 1/3 of total distance with speed v1. They are talking about distance. So we'll assume total distance to be x. Then question you have to frame in the form of diagram. X by 3 with speed v1. Not, you are not doing, don't think you are doing. This is given in the question. 1/3 of distance with speed v1. So x by 3 with v1. Remaining to x by 3 with v2. So for v1 also some time will be taken. That time, without time can you travel the distance? No, time will be taken. So that time I'm assuming as t1. So for v2 time will be t2. So total distance x, total time t1 plus t2. t1 now you have to calculate. In the question, when you assume distance, you have to calculate time. And when you assume time, you have to calculate distance. I'll give you one more question. Chalo, ek aur question banao. Let's see whether your brain is working or not. You write? You write? A car travels 1/4 of total distance with speed v1. A car travels 1/4 of total distance with speed v1. A car travels 1/4 of total distance with speed v1 and remaining distance with speed v2. And remaining distance with speed v2. And remaining distance with speed v2. Find v average for entire journey. A car travel 1/4 of total distance with speed v1 and remaining distance with speed v2. Find v average for entire journey. Again in the question they are talking about distance. You'll assume total distance to be x. बहुत ही आसान है. Juniors are able to understand this. You are 2 years older than them. हाँ, Shyam has given answer. Very good, Shyam. बहुत बढ़िया, Shyam. You can just tell me the numerator. No need to tell entire. Numerator only you can tell. Hari Krishna, very good. बहुत ही आसान है. This is very easy. Sajid Hussain, very good. Numerator only needed to be told. Anwar, very good, because denominator typing will be slightly tough. Harsha, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Manish Chala, very good. Perfect answer. Praveena, very good. Farida, very good. Joshna, your answer I'm not able to understand. हाँ, Shyam, now previously you said 4v1. Yeah, that was wrong. Snehlata, very good. Manisha, very good. हाँ, Mohammad Naved, very good. Ruchi, very good. Slisha, very good. Kusma Kumari, very good. Okay, no problem. I think everyone is getting, no problem. See once again. एक बार फिर से देखो. Those who are having little bit of doubt also, that doubt will be cleared by this situation. That's why I've given this question. I know after first question students get some idea, but 100% idea they don't get. So that's why I've given this question. Actually, tell me in the question they're asking you average speed. What is the formula for average speed? Very good. Everyone is giving correct answer. I feel everyone has understood. What is the formula for average speed? Only one formula: total distance by total time. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Actually, in this question, does they have given you total distance? No. But they are talking about, you tell me what you will assume first. What you will assume first for doing this question? What you will assume first? What you will assume first? First, what you total distance. Why someone's not total time, Baba? We will calculate time. We'll assume total. Or in the question padho, what they said, a car travels. कैसे बच्चे हो, थोड़ा दिमाग use करो. What is said in the question? क्या बोला है question में? A car travel 1/4 of total distance. Total distance. First word only coming total distance. A car travel 1/4 of total distance. I don't know total distance. Let's assume total distance x. 1/4 of total distance means x by 4 with speed v1. Of course, some time will be there na, t1. Okay, no problem. We will calculate it. So remaining distance, total x by 4 with v1. So remaining distance 3x by 4 with how much speed, sir? v2. So here it will take some time, t2. Now I will calculate t1. Now someone says me, sir, find average speed. Sir, average speed means total distance. Total distance I have already assumed x by total time, t1 plus t2. Now you have to calculate the value of t1 and t2. t1 value you can find distance by speed. And देखो distance you know, speed you know. So time will be taken will be distance by speed. That is x by 4 v1. t2 will become 3x by 4 v2. Now once you got t1, t2, put it here. X by 4 v1, and this will become 3x by 4 v2. Now from here x cancel and you can simplify to get your answer. I will directly simplify. This will become 4 v1 v2 by 3 v1 plus v2. Is it okay? समझे क्या? Everyone got the idea? एक बार बोल दो. Everyone got the idea? So what is the main thing? What is the main thing? Drawing this diagram. Drawing this diagram. Sir, what I will assume? Who will tell you what to assume? Who will tell you what to assume? Whether I have to assume total distance or total time, who will tell? Who will tell? Does anyone will come in the examination hall and he will tell, beta assume total distance x? Question will tell. Farida, correct. Question will tell. In question, if they talk about time, you will assume time. In question, if they talk about distance, assume distance. If you assume distance, you have to calculate t1, t2. If you assume time, you have to calculate distance x1 and x2. That we will do in the next part. I'll give you one more question. एक और question बनाओ. चलो. Final question from here. चलो चलो. You write. Final question from here. You write. A car travels 1/3 of distance with speed v1. A car travels 1/3 of distance with speed v1. Half distance with speed v2. And remaining distance, I'm making question little more tough. A car travels 1/3 of distance with speed v1. Half distance with speed v2. And remaining distance with speed v3. Toughest question from here. And remaining distance with speed v3. Find average speed for entire journey. Find average speed for entire journey. Sir, in the question they are talking about distance. So assume total distance x. X by 3 with v1. X by 2 with v2. And remaining means x minus x by 3 minus x by 2 with v3. This is the toughest question. Remaining is coming how much? X by 6. X by 6. Manisha, correct. Now you can do, maybe calculation will be there. Little calculation. That's why this question is not asked. Just to give you more clarity, they maximum ask for 2 parts. I've given you for 3 parts. Just to give you more clarity. 3 parts means you have to calculate T1 also, T2 also, T3 also. बहुत बढ़िया. If you are not able to type answer, you can simply write done sir. I will solve, then I will ask you how many of you got this answer. Because I know typing will be tough. Lengthy answer will come. Simplification will also become little tough. That's why such questions are not asked. Ruchi is saying something 6v1 v2 v3 is coming. Okay. Pawan is saying okay, done sir, bahut badhiya. Deadshot is saying something. I don't know what is meaning of that. Pinky hand. What is meaning of pinky hand? No problem, no problem. Leave your copy, leave your copy. Nothing to worry, nothing to worry. Just see here. Okay, no problem. Just to give you more clarity, this much of calculation is not asked. I gave you this question. Yeah. Shyam has written the answer. Wow, Shyam. Ah, your very good typing skill is very good. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Answer I don't know whether correct or not, but typing skill is good. Now dhyan dena. Now dhyan dena. Done, sir. Okay, okay, no problem. Very simple. Very simple. Always remember in this type of question, read the question carefully. Sir, in the question they are saying you, a car travels 1/3 of total distance. They are talking about distance. I don't know distance. So let's assume total distance to be x. So x by 3, 1/3 of total distance with speed v1. So time will also come na baba. Distance by speed, that will be coming as x by 3 v1. Then half of the distance means x by 2 with how much speed v2. That means t2 will also come now. Distance by speed, that will be coming as x by 2 v2. And remaining distance, if you feel problem in calculating remaining distance, you can find total x, already completed x by 3 and already completed x by 2. So from here remaining distance will become, if you subtract this will give you x by 6. With speed how much? v3. That means here time t3 will come. Distance by speed, that is x by 6 v3. Now once you got total time, once you got total, now you'll simply say no need to write the formula. Now directly, sir, you want average speed, I know sir. Total distance by total time. What is total distance? X. And what is total time? T1 plus T2 plus T3. No need to write one step. Directly put the value of T1. Sir, x by 3 v1. Sir, plus this x by 2 v2 plus x by 6 v3. Now from here x you can cancel and this will become 1 by this will become 1 by 3 v1 plus 1 by 2 v2 plus 1 by 6 v3. How many of you have got up to this? Remaining calculation you can take LCM and you can do, or many times this will appear as option. Preeti has got this, very good. Shyam has got this. Durga Prasad has got this. Sneha has got this. Chintu has got. Sajid got. Deadshot got. Farida got. Surita, I think everyone got. Everyone. Puneet got. Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah. Slisha got. Manish Chala got. Ruchi got. Vinay got. Yeah. Snelata got. I think everyone got. Yeah. Then you can solve it and you can get the answer. I think after this you'll be able to do. Those who are feeling any problem. Is it okay? Aage badhe? Is it okay? Is it okay? Easy na? Now I think it's easy. In the beginning maybe slightly tough, but now it's easy. Achha, indirectly did you realize what actually you are calculating? You tell me what actually you are calculating. Tell me. What actually indirectly what you are calculating? Are remaining things are calculation. What actually you are calculating? What actually you are calculating? Batao. You are calculating time, distance by speed. Yeah, ध्यान दो, समझो थोड़ा सा बात को. Actually, you are calculating time. When they have talking about distance, you are calculating T1, T2, T3. That's it. Remaining is calculation, total distance by total time. I will give you new question. Come on. I will change the question. Final answer you can, Konduru, you can simplify, Baba. Ab addition, subtraction, LCM leke do main. Now what you tell me, in the question, why you are assuming total distance to be x? From where you are getting idea to assume distance and calculate time? From where you got the idea to assume distance? From where you got the idea to calculate distance? एक बार बता दो. From where you got the idea? You said na, sir, question. You tell me in question tomorrow if they talk about time, what you will assume? Yeah. In the question start. A car travel 1/3 of total distance. If they talk about total distance, you'll assume total distance. In place of distance, if I say time, then you'll assume total time. When distance was given, you calculated time. When time will be given, you'll calculate distance. I will give you one question, then I will talk. You write this question. Come on. A question likho. Chalo. You write. A car travels with speed v1. A car travels with speed v1 for 1/3 of total time. A car travels with speed v1 for 1/3 of total time, and remaining time it travels with speed v2, and remaining time it travels with speed v2. A car travels 1/3 of total time with speed v1 and remaining time with speed v2. Find v average. Manish Chala, correct. Very good. Anyone can tell me the process also. If you have understood, you can tell me the process also. In this question, they are talking about time now. So now you'll assume total time to be t. So t by 3 with v1 and 2t by 3 with v2. Now if you know t by 3, calculate distance s1 and s2. Now find the distance. Very good. Now they have given you time, so you'll calculate. Previously, distance you assume, calculated time. Now time you'll assume, you'll calculate the distance. Dhyan do. Anyone feeling problem? See here for the last time. After this, I will give you next question. एक बार देख लो. ध्यान दो, please. यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. Very good. Many people are getting the answer. Almost everyone is getting answer. I will simply say. I will read the question. So in the question, what they are saying, a car travels 1/3 of total time with speed v1. So they are talking about time. So I'll say they are talking about time now. Let's assume total time of journey to be t. Because in the question, previously you assume x because they talk about distance. Now they are question will decide what you'll assume. You will not decide. Your choice will not work. Question will decide. In the question, they are talking about time. Sir, a car travel 1/3 of total time. So let's assume total time to be t. So t by 3 with speed v1. Remaining 2t by 3 with speed v2. And you know, if time is there, speed is there, some distance will be also there na, s1. Distance traveled will be coming as, or you can say x1. X we are assuming x1 will come, sir. Distance will be coming as speed into time. Same formula. Speed equal to distance by time. Now there you are calculating distance because you have already assumed time. So distance will come speed into time. So speed into time. v1 into t by 3. x2 will come speed into time. v2 into 2t by 3. Now once you know, you'll simply say, sir, v average will come total distance. What is total distance, sir? x1 plus x2 by total time, t by 3 plus 2t by 3, which we have already assumed to be t. Now put the value of x1. X1 you can put v1 into t by 3. x2 value you can put v2 into, x2 value you have calculated, v2 into 2t by 3. By total time t will get cancelled. You can take LCM 3. If you add, this will give you final answer will come v1 plus 2v2 by 3. Is it okay? कुछ समझ में आया क्या? Did you understand? बोल दो एक बार. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Everyone got the idea? बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Again, I will ask the main point. Ajay, tell me, who is giving you idea? Sometimes I'm assuming distance, sometimes I'm assuming time. Who is giving you idea to assume distance, and who is giving you an idea to assume time? Who is that person who is giving you idea? Question. Our choice will not work. Question. If question talk about distance, I will assume total distance. If question talk about time, I will assume total time. Achha, tell me, you tell me. Yeah, okay, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, question is giving idea, no problem. Yeah. Achha, tell me, you tell me. In the question, if you assume distance, what you are calculating? If you have assumed distance, what you are calculating? If you have assumed distance, what you are calculating? Time. You are calculating time. You are calculating time. Or distance already you assume. Average speed is what? Total distance by total time. Now, so distance already assumed. So what is left? What is left? What is left? Time is. Achha, you tell me in the question, if you assume total time, then what you are calculating? If you have already assumed total time, what you are calculating? If you have assumed total time, then what you are calculating? Total distance. I'll give you one more question. Chalo, ek aur question banao. Chalo, 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 chalo. Let's see final question from here. Do one more question. Do one more question. Ah, you right? You right? A car travels 1/4 of total time. A car travels 1/4 of total time with speed v1. A car travels 1/4 of total time with speed v1, and remaining, a car travels 1/4 of total time with speed v1 and remaining time with speed v2. Find v average. Find v average. Syam has given answer. Very good, Syam. As soon as I completed the question, Syam answer also came. Very good. Sajid, very good. Geeta, very good. Farida, very good. All of you have understood how to use the method. Bahut badhiya. Manish Chala, very good. Remaining people answer, I'm waiting. Vijay, very good. Sunita, very good. I'll keep all the slide. You can take. Deadshot, very good. Vishwanath, very good. Deadshot has given his identity also. I am from Tirumala. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ruchi, very good. I was seeing talk between Pawan and Deadshot. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Very good. I think everyone is getting the idea. So I'll again do, and then I will tell you few more situation. Dhyan dena. Be focused. Just see here. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. So, first thing, always read the question carefully. Make a habit of reading question in physics. Not only this topic, anywhere, any question came, read it first. So in the question they are saying, a car travels 1/4 of total time. Question lo time undi. They are talking about time. Time lo talking about. So what? Assume total time t. A car travels 1/4 of total time. They are talking about time. Let's assume time t. Then sir, t/4, 1/4 of total time with speed v1. Of course, some distance will be there, na baba. Distance will be speed into time. v1 into t/4. This is the distance it travel for 1/4 of time. So remaining 3/4. So that means 3t/4 with how much speed v2? That means it travel distance x2. X2 you can find. Again, distance will be speed into time. v2 into 3t/4. Now what they ask you v average. V average you know. So total distance by total time. So what is total distance? x1 plus x2. Now directly put the value of x1 and x2. x1 will come, sir, v1 into t/4 plus x2 will come, sir, v2 into 3t/4 by total time. Why total time? What is total time? Already we know t will get cancelled. We'll get final answer as v1 plus 3v2/4. How many of you got this answer? Once again you can say किसका आंसर आया है? Bolo, bolo. Preeti has got very good. Farida got. Ruchi got. Manish got. Sajid got. Vijay got. Deadshot got. Durga Prasad, Chintu, Syam, Seshagri, Bhargav. I think everyone got. Yeah. Snehata, yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ. Deadshot, no need to say 2-3 times. Dead people speak less. So already you are dead shot. So don't need to. Once you say enough, no problem. Puneet, very good. हाँ. Now ध्यान देना. Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah, okay. हाँ, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. Acha, you tell me, are you getting idea how to do this type of question? Did you understand? Did you understand? Did you understand? Everyone got the idea? 100% idea? हाँ? Now ध्यान देना. Please, now be focused. Now काम की बातें. काम की बातें. One important part I will put here. ध्यान देना. Be 100% focused. Be 100% focused. Yeah. You know, in physics we have infinite number of numerical, but there are some favorite topics, favorite type of numerical of NTA. Last 10-20 years paper, if you check, for average velocity, whenever they ask, for average speed, whenever they ask only for 2 situation. This year also question, same thing I was saying last year also when I was teaching online batch, same situation I'm saying again. Question came this year in the NEET. Dhyan dena. In physics, infinite number of numerical are possible. Na? Those people are not concerned. They have some favorite question. There is also some favorite question here. I will talk about that favorite question in the form of CBI question. CBI. I think I told you meaning of CBI. CBI. Because this situation is of NCERT exemplar. In NCERT exemplar, they are talking about one situation. So I will talk about that. No, yeah. Chala baga important. Yeah, CBI means chala baga important. Yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem. Now dhyan dena. Point. Acha, you go in restaurant, 100 items are there. Do you eat all 100 items? Even you go in any restaurant, 100 items are there. Now when you see the menu, 100 items are there. You eat all 100 items? Or which item you eat? Which item you eat? Batao. Which item you eat? Jaldi batao, which item? Which item you eat? Your favorite one. Yeah. Same thing happened with NTA. NTA has infinite question, but they don't give. They give favorite. That favorite question I'm going to talk. I'm talking about that favorite question. And favorite question they ask, dhyan dena. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Yeah. From here only, if you want, you can derive also, no problem. Same method. Yeah. Favorite question which they ask is for half distance with speed v1, other half distance with speed v2, other half distance with speed v2. That means situation will look like this: half distance x by 2, half distance x by 2 with v1, other half distance x by 2 with v2. And for this they ask v average. This year in the NEET this question came, and this v average will come. If you calculate time, put there, it will give you 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is the favorite situation of NTA. Many of you are knowing this year question came. They said first half distance with speed v, next half distance with speed 2v, find v average. Akada put chandi, answer vastundi. 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2 for half distance. And second favorite one, half time with speed v1, other half time with speed v2. And for half time again same process. If you want, you can derive t by 2 with v1, t by 2 with v2, and here v average will come. Can you tell me how much v average will come? Here v average will come v1 plus v2 by 2. Tomorrow they can put the values also. Value of v1 they can put, value of v2 they can put. So you can put the values, you can get exact answer also, exact value also for questions. Is it okay? Bolo. This is the favorite. Motion in a straight line going on. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? Always See last 20 year paper, whenever question came for average now, because this value is given in NCERT exemplar. This NCERT exemplar question, same question they repeated. I'm giving you time of 5 seconds. See these values. I will ask these values from you. If you want, you can calculate. You know how to calculate. I've just told you. It is more easier than whatever we have studied. Last year also I said, last year also I said that this is CBI NEET, very, very important. Those who have loads of last year, they can see. This year also, so many tests also we gave question on this. And same question came. Snehata, don't get busy in telling other people their doubt. You should focus on the class. Harsha is asking from me, that is motion in a straight line. Come on, everyone remembered? Come on, I can ask. Come on, tell me. If anyone says you, a car travels half of the distance with the speed v1, other half distance with the speed v2, what is v average? Jaldi jaldi bolo. What is v average? What is v average? 2v1 v2. Dhyan se 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. If you are not able to type, you have to speak at your home. जोर से चिल्ला के बोलो, then only it will settle in the brain. Half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half distance, 2v1 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half time. जल्दी बताओ, half time. अरे बताओ, half time. v1 plus v2 by 2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. Is it okay? Done? Achha, one last situation, one more situation. Just see here. Yeah. Achha, if someone says, yeah, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Again, these are the two favorite situations. 95% chance if question will be again coming, they will ask you for half distance or half time. Half distance, 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half time, v1 plus v2 by 2. One more thing. Tomorrow values can be also given. Put the value, you can get the answer. Now one last thing. Just see. So someone says, a car, for example, assume one car is there. Car has to go from A to B and it has to come back from B to A. So someone says if the car goes with speed v1, returns back with speed v2, it is which situation? Half distance or half time? They will say a car went. This is what they will say. They will say a car went with speed v1, returned back with speed v2. Find v average. Which situation? Half distance, because total distance, if you assume x now, total distance of journey, if you assume x, going will become x by 2, coming will also become x by 2. Half distance. So your answer will come 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Is it okay? Going and coming. Someone says a car went from Vijayawada to Bain, from Gosalites to Bain Circle with speed v1 and then came from Bain Circle to Gosalites with speed v2. That means v average will come 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2, because total distance x, going will be x by 2, coming back will be also x by 2. Is it okay? Bolo, Twarga. Bol do. Is it okay? Now one more thing. Just see here. Yeah. So favorite question completed. Half distance. 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. Half time. v1 plus v2 by 2. Tomorrow they will put the values. You'll get the answer. Now dhyan dena. Just see here. Thoda dhyan dena, please. I don't have more time. 5 minutes I will tell you little advanced question. Generally not asked, but they can be also asked. So dhyan dena. Just see here. Some questions are asked like this. Dhyan dena, be focused. Little tough situation, not very important for NEET, but I will not take risk. Maybe next year paper slightly tough, so they can ask you this question. Just see here. Okay. Dhyan dena. Just see. I will tell you the process. In the books you will find questions from here. So dhyan dena. Just see. Sometimes what happens, they say like this. A car, dhyan dena, please. Thoda dhyan dena. Just for 2 minutes. They will say you like this. A car travels half distance with speed v1. A car travels half distance with speed v1, and during remaining half distance, now remaining half distance, during remaining half distance, half time they travel with v2, and other half time with speed v3. You see, now this half distance they have divided into two parts. Now they will ask you, find v average for entire journey. Can you guess how to get the answer? You cannot type the answer, just tell me how to get the answer. Now half distance is also involved, half time is also involved. क्या करोगे? क्या करोगे? For this half time we'll find the velocity. Always remember in this type of question, first find the velocity for this half time. You know now, for this half distance your velocity will come. You can calculate the velocity for this half distance, because this half distance is divided into half time. So for this half, velocity will come v1 plus v2 by 2. That is v2 plus v3 by 2. And for this half distance, now once you convert for this half, what is the velocity? v2 plus v3 by 2. Now half distance, you know the formula. So v average will become 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. That is 2 v1. v2 is how much? v2 plus v3 by 2 by v1 plus v2. So v1 plus v2. What is v2? v2 plus v3 by 2. Not understood na? Did you understand the process? कुछ समझे क्या? Don't take much load. This type of question will not come. But okay. Harsha is saying not understood. Deadshot is saying understood. Got it, sir. Swati is also saying no, sir. क्या हो गया Swati? You are not focused. Chalo, no problem. Yeah, here Valigendi required. Yeah, Farida, you are saying correct. Here Valigendi required. एक बार फिर से देखो, again. I'll share the QR code. Don't worry. एक बार फिर से देख लो. हाँ. Okay. Deadshot. Yeah, putting butter. Deadshot is not putting butter on me. Yeah. Now ध्यान देना. Please just see how question will come. They will say like this. Again, same thing I will tell. Those who understood, fine. Those who did not understood, everyone will see here. एक बार देख लो. Not tough situation, easy situation. What he said? Valigendi required. Here your brain has to be chamka. In brain it has to be Valigendi. So ध्यान देना. Just see. What he said in the question. They will say you like this. A car travel half of the distance with speed v1. Other half distance. Now they will say in other half distance, it travel for half time. Here also it will take some time na baba. In this half distance, it will take some time na. So they will say for other half distance, for half time. For example, for this half distance, if time is t, for other half distance, half time with the speed v1. Other half time with the speed v2. Find v average. कितना आसान है. अरे अकड़ा half time उन्दी ना. So here you can find half. For this you can find average speed. See here for other half distance, half time with v2, half time with vt. Okay, no problem. Half time with v3. So you can find velocity for this part now. For entire this time, t by 2, you know the speed. So you can find average speed for this entire part. Now, for this entire part, half time means v2 plus v3 by 2. For this part, v2 plus v3, because half time. So v1 plus v2 by 2. So what is v1 here? v2. What is v2 here? v3. So v2 plus v3 by 2. Half. Now this is the velocity for this part. For this part already you know the velocity now. Now half distance. So v average will become 2 v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. So 2 v1 v2 is how much? For this, what is the velocity? V2 plus V3 by 2 by V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2. What is V2? V2 plus V3 by 2. अब कुछ समझे क्या? Okay, धीरज. अब कुछ समझे क्या? Farida is saying it's easy, but little Valagandhi required. That's it. Swati is now saying yes, sir. Harsha is also saying आसान है. In next class, I will give you one more question. One more question. Sometimes questions are like this also. Now you can tell. Half time they will say. Half time with V1. Other half time, for other half time, half distance with V2. Half distance with V3. Can you find V average? This is a homework. Do by yourself. Now you can do this question. This is your homework. Do by yourself because time is not there. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can you do that? Here it will become 2 V1, here it will become 2 V2, V3 by V2 plus V3 plus V1 by 2. You can do this question, no problem, no problem. If you feel problem, you can ask me on WhatsApp. So this is how we have talked about more situation. From here we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending here only. Okay, bye. Study well. Realize your responsibility. Becoming doctor is not only your daddy responsibility, not my responsibility. It is also Miru responsibility. Miru has to get doctor tag. So Miru has to work. Miru has to put entire effort. Put that entire effort. More situation we'll be talking in our next class. For today we'll be ending here only. Okay, tata, bye bye. Take care. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Bye.